So we have some drama today that we need to unpack. So the past, I would say 4 or 5 days, there has been a woman going viral, with this video of her being a single mom crying on the TikTok saying that it's hard being a single mom. She got to bake the cake for herself and all this virtue signaling and emotional um, turmoil that she's displaying on the internet. So we have to go into the story because apparently her husband exposed her for being a fraud. And I want you guys, as we go through this video, to just gain your thoughts and see which one do you believe more or you don't believe. Do you believe more of her or do you believe more of him? He kind of comes more with facts. So initially, we're going to play the video, then play her, and then we're going to play his portion or his side of the story, and you guys will be able to make your judgments then. So here we go. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share the video if you like the video. This is the viral uh, TikTok news recently, relationship news. You guys want to support the channel, all the ways you can support are in the description below. Hit the super thanks. Here we go. So these women portray themselves as strong and independent. This is what society tells them is the most logical way for them to live their lives. And then they do that just to in turn play the victim for people to feel sorry for them or for somebody to save them. Like you made your choices and decisions to leave your husband, and now you're mad that you're still a single mother because you're tired of working and doing all the other stuff that your husband was helping you out with before. Like, women, do you know what you want? Like, it's extremely confusing. So people are feeling sorry for her. This has millions of views. Just look at the comment section. This has over 100K comments. People just feeling sorry for her, 6 million likes. So let's get into this. Well, actually, it makes more sense to get into his side of the story. So, and then we're going to get into her side.
So I've been sent this video a lot over the last few days. People asking my thoughts and my comments on it. And before anyone says, "Oh, you don't know her situation," or you don't know what she's going through, well, I do because I lived it. Um, I'm her ex-husband, and right now I have full custody of our kids. This is our parent agreement. As you can see, I have all weekdays and weekends, time sharing with the kids, all at holiday academic breaks. And for her to get any rights back to the kids, these are the things that she needs to do. And yes, child support, she owes that. It's up to over $21,000. So she's a mother and doesn't pay child support. She was then arrested for check fraud, and during that hearing, it turned out that it was found that she stole almost $1 million from another guy. And also, she faked cancer in the past. These are scans that she would send and post on her page before. So, to sum it up, this person, for people that follow her or giving her praise and telling her how strong and how, amazing she's doing, well, she's really not a full time mom. She barely has her kids. She goes out all the time, um, and she doesn't even have a job even. So she just really not someone that other single moms should really be looking towards as for inspiration or anything like that. Uh, there are a lot of hardworking single moms out there, and a lot of respect to them. All I just want to say is she just isn't one of them. So hopefully everyone can see this video and know who she really is. Peace.
Ooh, we. Ooh, we. Is it possible to be a deadbeat mother? Are we looking at a deadbeat mother? Ooh, we. See, that's how these women get you guys. They sucker you in with these emotions, feeling so you can feel sorry for them. So they get to crying, and you get to sending them money, and you know, you get to give them, sending them attention and motivational stuff, just all for you to find out that they've been using people, that they're not anything of what they're displaying online. You guys honestly don't know anybody. You could be getting set up by any and everybody. So let's get into what her rebuttal was. This is her rebuttal. She has a couple videos.
Hi. I want to first start this video by saying this is not to bring a single bit of hate to Andrew, and I will never do that. I haven't done that on my page before, and I won't do it now, no matter who he is, which has always been the case because I will never bring the parent of my children down, because that's not okay for them. Putting the things on the internet for my kids to one day see because of who he is, I will never do it for them because it's not the right thing to do. And Andrew has created websites, TikToks, essentially everything since I left him. I think that is probably the Scientologist aspect of his life. If you go on the website, there's actually Scientologist links. Hi.
I got a question for you guys. Which one of you simps gonna go jump out there and save her? Which one of you simps is gonna jump out and save this woman that has a mugshot, fake cancer, behind on child support, but still not in jail? Because if this was a dude, he'd have been locked beyond the jail, but under the jail, just for owing child support. Like, women get away with so much stuff in this society. It is really laughable.
Really did social media to try to limit access to problems. I have been so mentally not okay since that happened. But in the state of Florida, whoever makes the most, well, first I'll start by the custody, okay, because that's what we're all talking about. I see my children. I see all my children. I don't not see my children. I'm the one who hosts their birthday parties. I'm the one who puts them to bed. I'm the one who does everything until he pulls them away. And the reason by that is the agreement that you guys have seen online is when I first left him out of abuse, I had no resources, no money, nothing. He was a doctor. And he said, if you sign these papers, nothing will change on when you see them. And I will not ruin your life. I will leave you alone. Really did social media.
Oh my God, bruh. She bring out the old trope, guys. She said, I left him because of what? Abuse. Like, women have the same playbook, bruh. The same wording. Like, they don't even audible their calls anymore, the formation. They just run the exact same play. And it works because look at this guy. Look at this person. Team dad, bye. Exactly. But you made it appear as if you were a full-time single mom. See, people are catching on to her BS. Mama Tot is on your side, dog. Here we go. BS. I don't believe her for a second. Exactly. Crocodile tears. You see, she hit the. She played the victim at the end.
and I will not ruin your life. I will leave you alone.
When women do this, guys, and you're gonna be in a moment where this happens. This could be at work. This could be at a funeral. This could be um, at a seminar, family reunion. Women do this whenever they do that, and they change their voice, but look at their eyes. There's never any tears typically flowing. That's just a word of game. So then you got imbeciles like this running around the internet. And I'm not about to play a whole bunch of this. Actually, we're not going to play that because we played enough video. I don't want to make this video too long. So who do you guys believe? Do you believe her virtue signaling, or do you believe the guy coming with facts, jumping out ahead of time to tell you guys what's really going on before you guys get suckered on the internet? I found this pretty interesting. I wanted to share this with you guys. Don't forget to like the video on your way out, comment your thoughts below, and I'll see you guys in the next one, man. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share the video if you like the video. And if you guys want to support the channel, all the ways you can support are in the description below. Hit super thanks. I appreciate you guys watching to the end. Have a good day, good week. We'll see you guys in the next one, man. Peace.